Hello guys, a very good evening and a very warm welcome to yet another super interesting, super amazing and a very informative episode of Curious Minds with me Pratesh, your host, your host and a proud educator from Imbibe. And today we are talking about a very interesting biological phenomena that we see in chameleons, and that is changing of color. Chameleon is a very well known organism known for its capability, its capacity to change the color, also known as camouflage. And it's a very amazing phenomena that we see in chameleons and some other animals. So let us see that how is chameleon able to change its color. So let us look at the biological point of it for this particular phenomena. But till then guys, let me tell you some information about the amazing Imbibe page, which gives you unlimited, free of cost, interactive immersive learning experience of test, assignment, study material, question, solution, explanation to solution, books, reference books, NCRTs, and that too of any board, any grade, any subject in any language. So make sure that you visit the Imbibe page at your leisure, and also you can download free of cost the Imbibe app, which is available on Google Store and Apple Store, right? Also guys, do connect with us on Telegram, because Telegram is one such channel where you get a chance to interact with your favorite educators, whether it is Tushar sir, Sushmita ma'am, Surabhi ma'am, Ankana ma'am, or myself. You can interact with us. You can also get your doubts solved. You can get the PDFs of the sessions, and you also get updates of whatever is happening on the Imbibe Achieve CBSE class 6 to 8 YouTube channel, right? And guys, if you want to join with me, you can follow me on my Insta handle, that is biology with Pritesh. That is my Insta handle where you can follow me, right? And we can talk about biology, and if you want to discuss something, we can connect there as well. Now, also, let me tell you that on Saturday, that is the 1st of April at 5 o'clock, I'm doing an orientation session for grade 8. Now, this is going to be super informative for all those who are entering grade 8. So, for students, those who have finished their grade 7 exams, or those who are in the last leg of their grade 7, and those who are about to start their grade 8, it is very important for them as well as their parents. So I request all of you along with your parents to please attend the orientation session on the 1st of April at 5 o'clock, only on Imbibe Achieve CBSE class 6 to 8. Also guys, in that session you'll be understanding that what should you expect from grade 8 syllabus when it comes to all the subjects. How should you study, how much time should you give to self study, how much time should you give to playing, how should you take look after your body. And also because at this because when you enter your grade 8, most of you are going to enter your teens. You're going to turn 13, or you've already turned 13 by the time you're in grade 8. So how to handle teenage, and all the teenage pressures that you go through, all the kinds of changes that happen in your body, this and a lot more will be discussed. So please make sure that you attend the session with your parents on the 1st of April at 5 o'clock. Okay? Now, moving ahead and talking about how chameleons change color. So first of all, you should know that it is done to protect itself. A chameleon changes its color so that it can protect itself from predators and also to catch its prey. So it is done both to protect as well as to attack. So you can see that this is a chameleon, a beautiful animal. Again, when I look at birds and when I look at lizards, they remind me a lot about dinosaurs. So again, it is also a descendant of dinosaurs, right? You can see, if you look at it, it reminds you of the movie Jurassic Park, how beautiful and magnanimous this animal is. Even iguana, and I was lucky that I was able to touch and hold an iguana on my hand. So there's this amazing place in Bangalore called Prani, where you can go and you can actually touch an iguana, and there are many other animals. So if you are from Bangalore, if you are visiting Bangalore in your summer vacation, make sure that you visit Prani, right? Now, chameleons are a group of reptiles that are known for their unique physical behavior, that is behavior adaptation, a distinctive body shape, long slender body, and a long tail and grasping feet that allow them to climb and grip into branches and twigs. Large independently moving eyes. Chameleons have large bulging eyes that can move independently of each other, allowing them to have a 360-degree view of their surroundings without moving their head. Wow, now that is something which even I didn't know. So do you know that chameleons can move their each eye independently? Like, if I'm looking right, my both eyeballs will move towards right. If I'm looking left, my both eyeballs will move towards left. Now, in the case of chameleon, one eye can move right, one eye can move left. I can't even do it, right? It would look so funny. So that is what chameleons can do. They can move their both eyes independently, and that gives them an entire 360-degree view of everything around them. I don't know, I don't know of anybody who has ever said about an attack by chameleon, a human. So I think they're pretty harmless. For human beings, they are harmless. But yeah, they are always looking to eat insects and other different kinds of creatures, right? Beautiful animals. Chameleons are a group of reptiles that are known for their unique physical and behavioral adaptations. They are long, sticky tongues. You can see it has got an extremely long and sticky tongue, and now it has stuck its tongue on this grasshopper, who is going to be its food for today. They have a long, sticky tongue that they can shoot out of their mouth to catch insects and small prey. Slow moving and deliberate behavior. Chameleons are known for their slow and deliberate movements, which allows them to conserve energy and blend in with their environment. They move extremely slowly. It gives them a sense of the color on which they are, and that helps them to change their body's color. It also saves their energy, and also this extremely slow movement keeps them makes them very easy to attack their prey. Now, because see, even the grasshopper wants to save itself. Now, if it sees somebody running coming towards it, it will just fly off, right? So it comes so slowly that it can just go near the grasshopper and eat it up, right? That is what is chameleons. Now, how do they protect themselves from predators? They are utterly defenseless. Their skin isn't packed with poison, and they can't move quickly. So first of all, they are defenseless. They cannot attack back, right? And their skin doesn't have any kind of poison, and they're extremely harmless. They can protect themselves by hiding from their predators. The only way they can protect themselves is camouflage. They are naturally green or brown in color to blend into their absorbent habitat. It's this natural coloring that protects them from predators. They can display bright red, orange, blue, yellow, and more, but chameleons cannot change to match any color, right? So they can have a variety of colors, like they can have red, orange, blue, yellow, and different other colors, but they cannot match exactly with their surrounding. Now, if they are kept on a yellow table, obviously they'll turn yellow, but then they cannot match exactly. So they have limited colors in their body. They have limited skin pigments which they can just exhibit on their skin surface, but not every color. So they cannot have every color. They have a limited color palette in their skin which they can exhibit all across the body and camouflage. So remember one thing, next time when you see a chameleon, you should look at it like how wonderful this animal is. Also because see, it is that animal which cannot attack back. It can only and only hide itself. Wow, that's so amazing. Now, even if a dog gets angry, the dog comes to, bite you, or the dog growls at you. Now, but a chameleon, it will never ever attack you back. The only way a chameleon can save itself is hide. That's so sweet, right? Now, why do chameleons change their color? So they change their color for communication, for camouflage, for thermoregulation, as well as a response to stress. Now you can see on this chameleon itself, there are so many different colors. There is light green, then there is dark green, there is brown, there is a bit of yellow somewhere, there is a bit of red also somewhere. There are so many different colors. But again, you must remember that a chameleon only has few colors and it can only use them. It cannot have any color, right? Now, for communication, now see, so beautiful. Just look at it. So beautiful it looks, right? Nature is the biggest artist, I can say. See, so many colors. You've got blue and purple and, light blue, green, orange, so many different colors. Red also it has, pink also. Chameleons use their color changes to communicate with other chameleons. They can use bright colors to attract a mate or display aggression. Now, even peacocks, peacocks open their feathers only to attract a mate, and even same the chameleons do. They change their color, they make themselves so bright so that a mate gets attracted and they can fulfill, they can, continue their species by reproduction. So, the other day I was watching this movie called Lucy, a very good movie, even if you get time, so please watch it. In that, this scientist, he tells that every species on this planet has only two roles, either survive or procreate. So any species, whether it is humans or birds or camels or dogs or amoeba or any species on this earth, they have only two roles. Either they will survive or they will procreate, which means they will try to survive, but if they are not able to survive, they'll reproduce so much that their species will survive, right? So even chameleons, it is somebody who is so easily open to predators. So what it does is it changes its color to attract a mate and have a species so that it, lives longer. The chameleon species lives longer. Remember, it's an oviparous animal, and chameleons are known for their ability to blend in with their surrounding by changing color. This helps them to avoid predators and sneak up on the prey. You can see over here how it has changed its color according to the dry grass. It has also become brownish, right? So the this part to still you can see, but this to just looks like some twigs, right? Beautiful, amazing. Now, chameleons can change color to regulate their body temperature. Dark colors absorb more heat while light colors reflect heat. We know that this you have learnt in physics, that black color will absorb heat, white color will reflect heat. Not only black, all the dark colors. So, when the chameleons, again, they are cold-blooded animals. So, when the temperature is extremely cold, they will become dark colored so that their body will absorb more and more heat and they will remain warm. And similarly, in summers, they will become lighter so that their body reflects heat and they become cool, right? So again, they do it even for thermoregulation and as a response to stress. Chameleons can change color as a response to stress. For example, they may turn dark when they are frightened or threatened. When they are extremely scared or when they feel that they are about to get eaten, they might just turn dark. See, look at this mini dinosaur, even if I call it, it's not wrong. So beautiful, so many colors. Oh my God, right? It's beautiful, magnificent, right? Now, so even when they are under a threat or when they are feeling scared or when they are feeling frightened, they just turn dark. Like just humans start shivering when they are scared, or we'll just cover ourselves under a blanket when we feel scared. Similarly, they turn dark when they feel scared. How do chameleons change color? So they change color through a combination of physiological processes and the interaction of specialized cells in their skins called chromatophores. They have several layers of skin that contain different types of pigment cells, including melanocytes, iridophores, and xanthophores. Melanocytes produce black and brown pigments. Xanthophore produce yellow and orange pigments. So nice. They have multiple skin layers having different kinds of pigment elements. Then they have iridophore cells containing nanocrystals to reflect wavelengths of light through their skin. Nanocrystals vary in size and are arranged in different shapes and group. Depending on how the chameleon is feeling, the nanocrystals will either expand or contract, allowing those wavelengths to become visible. When excited, cells will move and be farther apart, creating a longer wavelengths of light and producing brighter colors. When they are relaxed, the cells will swell, creating shorter wavelengths and produces color such as blues and yellows. So it's like it's like some robotic mechanism that chameleons have. So when they're happy, their body will become blue. When they are stressed, their body will become bright. And the nanocrystals arrange themselves. It's like some magic potion going on over here. But again, that is the beauty of nature. It marvels you, and it is the duty of human beings to learn from it and adapt it and use it for their benefit. Role of the nervous system. The chameleon's nervous system controls the expansion and contraction of the chromatophores through a system of nerve cells and hormones. When the chameleon is stressed or excited, its nervous system sends a signal to the chromatophores to expand or contract. By this, the chameleon can change the color and pattern of its skin to blend in with the surrounding, communicate with other chameleons, or regulate its body temperature. So, it is everything. In any organism, it is the brain that is controlling everything. So, depending on how the chameleon is feeling, what is the mood of the chameleon, depending on that, the chameleon's body will change its color. Okay? Then, that's it. So with that, guys, we come to the end, and they say that you're like a chameleon who keeps on changing its color. When a person is displaying different kinds of faces, they say you're like a chameleon. But next time when you say it to somebody, or when you hear somebody saying it to someone else, remember, a chameleon changes its color when it is stressed, when it is happy, or to mate, or to thermoregulate, or to protect itself. not like human beings, just to impress somebody, change color, or just, when you're feeling good, you behave well with somebody. When you're feeling bad, you behave badly with somebody. So, humans have just, they have just mixed up everything and they manipulate everything and use it to their benefit. Anyway, so be wise, choose wise, be wise in choosing your words, be wise in choosing the people around you, and create a happier society. With that, guys, this is Pritesh, your host, your dose, and a proud educator from Imbibe. Signing off for now. Do not forget to connect with us on Telegram. And if you're enjoying the series of Curious Minds, make sure that you give this video a big fat thumbs up. Do share this video with your friends and school WhatsApp groups, and subscribe to the channel because it's absolutely free, right? And until we meet next tomorrow at 5:30, take care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed, and do not forget to keep imbibing. We believe in you.
Keep imbibing. We believe in you.